got a gummy. It's a sticky solution. Yes. Do you want to know how I made this? How you know? You can try this if you want. It's very fun. You want to know how I made the solution? Let's go! Let's start also! Yeah! Excited! Yes! Hello everybody! Today we are going to do bouncing bubble experiment. Are you ready? Let's start! Let's start! To do this experiment, we need water, sugar and dishwashing liquid, and also a bowl and also a spoon. First, contain 4 parts water, 2 parts sugar and 1 part dishwashing liquid in a bowl. For example, if you are using teaspoon, you could mix 4 teaspoons of water, 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir gently until the sugar completely dissolves in the water. Add 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. Make sure the dishwashing liquid is well mixed. Look, it's mixed. Use the straw to blow the bubbles. You have to wear the gloves or socks to bounce the bubbles, so that the bubbles won't pop quickly. Enjoy! That's my popper. Try this. If you like it, try it. Sometimes it will pop. Yes, but it will. Hope you like this experiment. We'll see you in the next experiment. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. We'll see you in the next experiment.